moving on to AUDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. As you can see, we've continued this heavy bearish momentum in towards the downside and have continued to sell off. This is now the supply zone that was in control, and we did say yesterday that maybe a potential for the early buyers to get swept, come back up, break the supply zone, and then we could be looking for those long positions. As you can see, that's not happened, and we are more than likely now to take out this point of liquidity or the low itself. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we had the initial break down here, followed by another one, and now we've had this third one. This high here is relatively strong because it swiped liquidity to the left. So this high I expect to hold. If we can come up and take out this liquidity, I'd be happy to then look for a short position down. However, the only thing I don't like is I don't see a clear draw on liquidity on the 4-hour or on the daily. The main liquidity targets have been hit, and I just want to see how price reacts. I mean, ideally at some point in the near future, I want to see the supply zones break, switch bullish on the 4-hour, and then we can start looking for those longs. NZDUSD on the daily time frame, we've got our break of structure, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. As you can see, we've now had an internal break of structure in towards the downside, and it does look more likely now that we are going to take out the swing low itself. There's no liquidity here, and there's nothing significant that tells me that we could see that reversal. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've had our break of structure down, followed by another break of structure down. Similar to AU, this high here is strong because it liquidated something, and all of this is just descending liquidity. Nothing's too clean. If we see a break of this high, we could get that structure shift, and then we could look for the short positions. There's no longs for me, and I won't be looking for any longs until we break this high here, and then we can look for that upside.